Hi! Pumpkin seeds are a cheap, delicious and healthy snack, not just for kids, but even for grown-ups. You can use them to sprinkle in your soups, in your salads, even as a garnish, or you can just eat them as they are. Or you can use them to make granola or mix them in your cereals. They are great for you, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how we roast our pumpkin seeds at home. Welcome. My name is Suzy, and on this channel we're all about organizing, prioritizing and budgetizing at home because we want to be happiest at home. So today I'm very excited to show you this simple trick about how to roast your pumpkin seeds. Before I knew this, I used to just throw away all the pumpkin seeds, but now we cannot get enough of them. They're great, they're full of fiber, which is good for your digestive system. They're great for your hair and your skin. They're great because they reduce an inflamed prostate, so they're really good for men. And they're so easy to make, so no more wastage. You're saving money because you eat the whole pumpkin as a whole. You can also use not just pumpkin seeds, but also butternut squash seeds. So let me show you how they come out. Once you have used your pumpkin, please do not throw away your pumpkin seeds. So this is how they're going to look. Of course, they have the stringy bits. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to soak them in cold water for about 5 minutes. So I have my cold water here. Let me just show you. They're also rich in antioxidants, which are good for removing all the free radicals that are everywhere. They basically just keep you really healthy. Okay. So what you're going to do is you put them in cold water and you just squeeze them out of this stringy orange thing that comes in the pumpkin. Okay. If you haven't watched my video on how to make your own butternut squash soup, it's amazing, and I'm going to link it down to this video below. And if you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with a friend. You know, initially we used to think that pumpkin soup, anything to do with pumpkins, is basically only just for kids, but now we know better. Okay, you remove the orange stringy bits, just put them aside. They're tiny. My kids love roasted pumpkin seeds. They don't last a minute. As soon as I've removed everything. Alright? I found that if you get like an original pumpkin, not a butternut squash, because here in Kenya we call butternut squash pumpkins, which is not really correct, but the big round pumpkins have lots of seeds, and I feel like the seeds taste just slightly better when roasted. Seeds in that as well. So there we have it. I think I removed the orange thing, most of it. Let me rinse it under running water and I will be right back. I have washed the pumpkin seeds, as you can see right here. So what I want to do is I want to dry them, because you need them to be almost completely dry. Some of the stringy bits didn't all come off, but most of them did. Okay, so you get a clean tea towel and just wrap them dry. Okay, you just want to make sure they are as dry as you can make. Okay, see, fantastic. All right, then I'll take my pan and put it over a low flame. Okay, so I have my pan here, medium to low. I don't like to put any oil. I just want them to fry, rather to roast them on the pan just as they are. Okay, so I'll grab this put that into my pan. See, the more you wrap them with the tea towel, any remaining yellow bits will most likely just come off. Don't miss or to lose even one. There you go. Then I want to flatten them. So you want to make sure they are completely flat and reduce the flame, low to medium. Yes, fantastic. I also like salting mine right at these initial stages, because as much as I dried them with the tea towel, they still have just a little bit of moisture, and that moisture is good because it helps the salt to stick to the seeds. That's the same way as when you're roasting peanuts. Alright, you want to sprinkle peanuts with just a little bit of cold water and then put in the sauce, because this helps the salt to stick very well to the peanuts. Right? I feel like my flame is still a bit high. Okay. There we go. Then it's just a game of patience now. You just keep turning them and turning them slowly to ensure they are thoroughly cooked on all sides until they are golden brown. Actually, eating pumpkin seeds is linked to the reduction of the risk of developing certain cancers, such as colon cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and all that. So I'd highly recommend. And instead of going to buy yours, you can easily make your own. Yeah, because we're all about organizing, prioritizing, and budgetizing at home. Because we want to be happiest at home. Yes. If you're liking this content, please don't forget to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. When you click the like button on a YouTube video, it shows YouTube that you like that content, and YouTube is more likely to recommend the video to other people when it has lots of likes. Okay, so if you think this is something that other people might benefit from, share, but also click the like button. Alright, so it's coming along well. As I said, it's a game of patience, so I will just be patient too. If you go to buy pumpkin seeds, you'll find that some of them are green in color, and that just means that they've removed the outer shell. Okay, but I find that I like roasting mine with the outer shell because not only does it taste better, but also it's full of fiber, which is fantastic for your digestive system. So don't wonder why sometimes when you go buy them they're green. And that also it depends on the kind of pumpkin where you got your seeds from. Alright? Don't worry about the whiteness in the bottom of the pan. It's just part of the process. Just shows that it's getting ready, and it's very easy to clean up. As you can see, they're starting to change color, and when they're almost ready, they start popping. Okay? So don't wonder why they're popping like popcorn. That means they're just almost ready. They're becoming a nice golden brown color. They're almost ready to eat. Just in time for my kids to wake up from their nap. They'll be so excited. flying off the pan. Maybe just 2 more minutes. I'm still seeing some that are a bit whitish. So as you can hear, they're really popping. So, and they're all a nice golden brown color, so you can switch them off and take them off the pan so they don't go flying off completely. Our roasted pumpkin seeds are ready. There you have it, nice and golden brown, and they taste amazing. Try it at home and let me know. Remember, you can use them to garnish the soups, you can use them as part of the salad, you can use them to make granola or just sprinkle them over your cereals in the morning. Or the way we like to do it around here, we just eat them as is because they are delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Bye! And they're so crunchy. Oh my gosh.